What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another throwback video where I take you guys on just a basic walkthrough on what I've bought in the past and what I've sold it for, how much profit I was able to make, stuff like that. In today's video, we got a 1999 Dodge Ram 1500. It was the V8 5.3. I think they got a 5.9 as well. But this one was the 5.3, so it was, the V8. This was a good truck, man. The only thing that was wrong with this truck was tires wasn't that good and the AC did not work. Other than that, it was a pretty good truck. Yeah, it was a pretty good truck, man. Nice and clean. You know what I'm saying? It had a bed liner in it, stuff like that. I'm not exactly happy, what I paid for the truck. I actually didn't really make no money off this truck. I don't know why I paid this much, but I'm gonna just go ahead. I've been delaying, but let me just go ahead and tell you guys, I paid $21 for this truck. That's $2,121 out the door. Why I paid that much for this 1999 Dodge Ram, I don't know. Sometimes, we all mess up, but it had 188,000 miles on it. Yeah, so I'm just not happy with what I bought it for, man. I think I paid too much for it. It didn't have a radio in it. The AC didn't work. And on top of that, it's a Dodge. You know what I mean? Like, not to down Dodge or anything, but like their older trucks, we all know that the Silverados like hold their value, and they're a better built truck. You know what I mean? That Vortec motor really changed the game. Now the new Rams and stuff like that, I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure all newer trucks are pretty good, but I'm just speaking for older trucks. I think I would have been better if it was a 99 Silverado or something like that. If I would have paid this much, but I shouldn't have paid this much at all for no 99. You know what I mean? But I'll go ahead and tell you what I sold the truck for. I sold it for $2,200. That's right, $2,200. So only made about 79 bucks off this bad boy, and I think I had to put some gas in it because the gas was low. So I pretty much didn't make no money off this truck, man. So it's better than a loss, you know what I'm saying? At least I got my money back. Other than that, man, the truck was cool. The truck, it rolled good. I'm just not happy with what I paid for it. You know what I'm saying? I think I paid too much. You know what I mean? So, especially without a radio, and as you can see, I think the switches were messed up. Didn't have the little buttons in the switches. But it wasn't like a nasty truck or anything. But I mean, you guys let me know what you guys think. 21, and yep, the gas light is on. So 21 for a 1999 Dodge Ram pickup truck. It had 188,000 miles. What do you guys think about that, man? I was only able to sell the truck for $2,200. You know what I'm saying? Basically just to get my money back. So you guys let me know what you guys think, man. I appreciate you guys for yet watching another one of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one.